Installers, plumbers, do-it-yourselfers, I think their concern is how it actually sits on top of the tub and it stays. So what we did on this tub, and I think we'll do it on some of the tubs, that doesn't have any framing in the back, 2x4s that we can anchor to. So what we did was just got some C-clamps and we just clamped it to the bottom tub, and it won't go anywhere. The other thing is the existing tub was actually higher, the existing tub, so we had to take that tub and lower it down. Even with that, we had to make sure that the tub was sitting high enough that the door would go over the toilet.
Well, I've had peripheral artery disease and both had to have both my legs amputated below the knees, and I don't have any feet to walk in a regular tub, and so I needed a slide-in tub, and probably as handy as it can be for me. Used to have a bathtub, a regular bathtub, and I had to have my caregiver haul me out every time I wanted to get out, you know, and does it in this one just fine. And she gets hardly any water on her, and it just works out really great for my situation. It drains into the other bathtub and it's really fine. The whole thing, if you fill it clear up to the overflow and then let the water out, it'll go out in 20 seconds. It's wonderful as far as bathing is concerned. It probably drains as fast or faster than anything I've ever seen.